Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Okay, this is our first chapter, which is polynomials and rational expression. Okay, in chapter 1 we have 3 subtopics, okay, which is the first one is exponents. Okay, so before we proceed with the exercises, so I will show you the law of exponents. Okay, we have several laws that you have to remember. Okay, law number 1. Okay, what is exponent? Okay, so exponent means that when you have, for example, okay, x power of n. Okay, n could be any real numbers. Okay, r is real numbers. Okay, for example, if I write x power of 2, okay, this is exponent. Okay, so when x power of x power of 1 over 3, this one also considered as exponent. Okay, so now it will show you several laws of exponent. Okay, the first one is, okay, the first one, I have x power of 0. When x power of 0, okay, we will get 1. Okay, x cannot be 0, meaning that x must be x cannot be 0. X can be any number except 0. For example, okay, I have, let's say, 5 power of 0, the answer is 1. When I have, okay, 1 over 3 power of 0, the answer is also 1. When I have negative 2 power of 0, the answer is also 1. Okay, this is law number 1. When x power of 0, you will get 1. Okay, except x equal to 0. Okay, you will never see this kind of expression. Okay, there will never x power of 0. Okay, okay, number 2, when we multiply, okay, x power of n multiply x power of m. Okay, this one means that when you multiply the exponent, so what happens? So it will be, okay, when we multiply the exponent, we will, okay, when we multiply the expression contains the same base x, and then we have the power of n and m, so we gonna get multiply becomes addition. Okay, so okay, example for this, when you have y power of 2 multiply y power of negative 1, so we multiply the power, okay, plus negative 1, so means that when y, okay, plus minus, so we'll get 2 minus 1, so y power of 1 equal to y. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, let's say I have x power of 5 multiply x power of 2. This is very simple, so means that x 5 plus 2, so we'll get x power of 7. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, I give you, now we already learned 2 laws of exponent. Okay, when x power of 0 and when we multiply the same base x and then the power we add. Okay, okay, next is, okay, next when we have, okay, law number 3, okay, x of n multiply m outside. So this one will be, you have to multiply the exponent x equal to mn. Okay, example, okay, let's say now we have x power 4 multiply with 2 outside. Okay, so x power 4 inside the bracket, you have to multiply the exponent, so what will be the result is 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Okay, number 2, when we have x power of negative 1, then outside we have 1 over 3. So what will be the answer? So you have to multiply the exponent. So x power of negative 1 over 3. Okay. So I give you the simple example. Okay, now this is law number 3. Okay. So now we proceed law number 4. Okay, law number 4 is when x power of negative m. So we also can write this one in terms of 1 over x power of m. So means that when you have negative exponents, so what you have to do, you have to bring it down. Okay. So 1 over x power of m, and then the exponent it will be positive. Okay. So this is rules number 4. Okay, so the example, okay, let's say I have x power of negative 3. So this one you can also write x power of 3. Okay, so example 2, if you have 1 over x power of negative 2. So what do you think about this? So when we have negative for the denominator, means the above, the below part, okay, the bottom part. So this one we call it denominator, this one numerator. So you have to bring it up. So when we have negative, so the answer is x power of 2. Okay. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, why we get x power of 1 over 2? Because of previously we have 1 over x power of 2. Okay, because of just now we just bring it down. Okay, 1 over x power of 2. Okay, for this one you have to remember there will be one formula. Let's say I have a fraction a over b divided by c over d. So now, okay, the answer is ad. You have to multiply ad, okay, b and c divided by bc. So now 1 over 1 over, okay, I will write properly lah for this one. So it will be 1 over x power of 2. Okay, why? Because of previously we have 1 over x power negative 2, and then it will become 1 over 1. So now, okay, this is your a. Okay, no b, because of 1 is actually 1 over 1. Okay, so this is your b, and then this is your c, this is your d. So the answer for this is, okay, equal to, okay, ad, so means that x power of 2 over, okay, a multiply d, so we get x power of 2, c, b, c, and then the answer is 1. This is equal to x power of 2. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Okay, alright, now we proceed. Okay, now the fifth law is when x power of n divided by x power of m, so equal to x. Okay, when you have division, the exponent you deduct. N divided by m. Okay, m, x power of n divided by x power of m. So the result is you have to deduct the exponent. Okay, so you have to remember this is law number 5. Okay, example number 1. Let's say you have x power of 5 divided by x power of negative 1. So how can we solve this? So this one means x minus, okay, the division represent minus 1, so it will be x 5 plus 1, the answer is x power of 6. Okay, so the answer is x power of 6. Can I give you the second example? Let's say I have x power of 7 divided by x power of 7, so means that equal to x 7 minus 7, so means that x power of 0, so the answer is 1. Okay, actually you can cross, right? Cross for the above and the bottom part. So actually you can do, okay, lots for mathematics there will be many methods. Okay, so this one you can just cross, or you can do apply the laws of exponent. Okay, this is the fifth one. Okay, the sixth one, the last one is when you have xy and then we have m outside, so will be x power of m, y power of m. So you will consider that x is actually we have power of 1, y power of 1. So this one you have to multiply both. So you will get the result is x power of m, y power of n, m. Okay, so this is law number 6. Okay, the example for law number 6 is when you have m, n, and then we have outside 3. Alah, so easy lah this one. So the answer is m power of 3, n power of 3. Okay. Okay, number 2, when you have x over y, and then now we have 2. So same goes to the previous example. So just imagine this is we have power of 1. So the answer is x power of 2 over y power of 2. Okay. So done. We already discussed all examples for laws of exponent. Okay. After this, we will try more challenging examples. Okay. Alright.